The purpose of this lecture is to elucidate on the propagation of disturbances from one point in space to the other. Now, depending on the nature of this disturbance, whether scalar, vector, or tensor, there are some manifestations which come out. Number one, this is called the dispersion relation, and that gives rise to two quantities, phase velocity and the group velocity, that depends on the constitution or composition of the media. The second quantity that can be studied are called the polarization parameters. If the underlying excitation is either vectorial or tensorial, and there are certain objects, those are called Stokes parameters. They can be used to gain more information about this polarization and hence the characteristics of the medium that is there. Unfortunately, for some reason, all these variables are not independent of the direction of observation, but there are some, those are independent of this direction of observation. In this set of lectures, we will try to establish them and show how these can be used to quantify the polarization or polarization patterns, those are coming from some source. The second object or second thing that is important is the medium which is underlying, and this medium can be either non-relativistic, relativistic, degenerate, under the influence of an external field or without that, and depending on that, it shapes the propagation in those mediums. Taking a microscopic point of view, we will show here the emergence of certain terms, those are called Faraday terms, or that's responsible for Faraday effect, that is possible in the case of electromagnetic waves propagation, and finally relate these objects or these studies to observations. Those are usually done for the astrophysical objects. Thank you.